Alright, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying to do something with my hair. I think I'm just going to try to revive my wash and go. So I did this wash and go 2 days ago with the Garnier Fructis stuff. I had a little bit of flake and product buildup, so I really didn't like it as much as I did as I was doing it. And I kind of just gave up on it. I got mad and I went to bed on it, and I just let it get crusty. I didn't put no bonnet on. We're going to try to fix it, and I'm going to use the Wetline Extreme today. Let me grab it. So I'm going to see if the Wetline can revive my hair.
Alright, so first I'm starting off with sectioning off my hair in the back, and I'm going to do this all throughout my head. And once I do that, I'm just going to take some water and I'm going to reactivate the product that's already in my hair. So this is a failed wash and go, as I stated before, and basically it's just a lot of product buildup. And a lot of times when you have product buildup, it comes from just not absorbing the product all the way into your hair strands, and that can be from, you know, error in your method, or just the product just doesn't work for your type of hair. So in order for me to just preserve what I've already done and spend time doing, I'm just taking water and I'm spraying it onto my hair, and it's very warm. So this water that I'm using is like, I put it in the microwave for about a minute, so it's really warm. And I'm just using that warmth and the warmth from my fingertips to work the product that's already there back into my hair strands and help it absorb better. And then I'm going in with the Wetline Extreme. So I chose to do Wetline Extreme today because it's a little more moisturizing than a normal gel. So even though it's not a natural gel, the formula is more moisturizing, so it's not going to perpetuate the dryness and the flakiness and the buildup. And it absorbs really well into my hair strands on its own. So I'm working the product in, and then I'm going in with the Wetline just to see how much I need to actually apply. And I'm just using that to, one, get more definition, and to help the product absorb better into my hair strands. And I'm going to be doing that throughout this entire process in each scene that you see. So yeah, you're just going to watch me basically just revive my wash and go. So I'm going to repeat that over again, put the water into my hair, and I'm going to work it in very thoroughly. And I'm also raking my fingers through my hair to, you know, detangle and work the product in. So the warmth from the water in my hands is also helping to absorb the product that's already there. And like I said, then I'm going in with the Wetline to emphasize the definition and get rid of frizz. So you're just gonna watch me do the rest of my hair, and yeah. So here I tried to use a brush in the front here because that's what I had the most buildup at. I wanted to see if using a brush would help the product, you know, distribute better, but it did the same thing. So honestly, it didn't really do anything different for me. So I just continued without the brush throughout the rest of my hair. I'm also being very careful not to apply too much gel. Unlike my normal wash and goes, I'm not, you know, just looking for definition or applying a lot of gel, because like I said, I already have product in my hair. So if you try to do this method to revive or fix your wash and go, make sure you remember you already have product in your hair. So you want to make the most of what's already there, and just use the gel as like more of a finisher than like end all be all, because it's just supposed to help promote what the other products failed to do and to correct the mistake. So you don't want to apply too much and get too heavy-handed, because then you can just end up with way more product buildup than you had before, and it'll be a hot mess. So this is how my hair turned out. It was very bouncy. It was flake free once it dried, and it came out really, really nice. I got better definition this time around, and like I said, I got rid of that buildup. So thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you liked the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.